Are you moving to or from Schenectady, New York? 3 Movers offers reliable, full-service moving solutions that simplify your entire relocation. We handle everything from packing to unpacking, furniture disassembly to storage. Our full-service moving team uses advanced packing techniques to protect your fragile items. We do the heavy lifting, so you avoid injury and stress. Although full-service moves cost more than basic moves, the convenience and care are unmatched. We provide comprehensive moving services, including packing, unpacking, furniture handling, electronics packing, waste disposal, vehicle shipping, and secure storage solutions. Whatever you need, we customize your move for ease. Moving costs depend on the size of your home, distance, and special requirements. We recommend a home-based estimate to give you an accurate quote. Long-distance moves are priced by weight and volume, while local moves depend on time and crew size. Local moves usually take 1 to 2 days. Depending on distance and load size, long-distance moves may take several days or more. We tailor our team size to pack your home efficiently and minimize downtime. Always hire licensed and insured movers with positive reviews. Beware of suspiciously low quotes. They may indicate scams. Choose movers who handle packing, hauling, and unpacking for a smooth transition. Ready for a seamless move in Schenectady? Contact 3 Movers today for a free, no-obligation, full-service moving quote. Call 1-888-202-0036 or visit our website now.